In recent times, businesses has been failing due to the fact that some people or a group of people are doing things wrongly. By so doing, the business will crumble and they will lose their money. You see some people they start up business before 1 year that business has already folded up. While some before 2 years it has already folded up. 3 years it has folded up. Business that is supposed to last for a long time because of the kind of investment you invested in that business. But you realize that a lot of these business are falling apart. A lot of these business are folding up, and which is not good. So in today's video, I'm going to be listing out those things that people are doing wrongly, those things that people are supposed to do differently in order for them to be successful in their business. So if you are somebody that wants to start up a business, then this video is for you. Stick with me because I'm going to be listing out these mistakes so that if you want to start up business again, you know what to do and what not to do so that you can excel in that particular business that you want to embark on. All right. But before I continue, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I share with you guys different ways of making money both online and offline and how to grow our business together. And if you are somebody that is interested in making money or like to visit the channel, click on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video that will benefit you. All right. And I will advise that you stick around to the end of this video so that you get the full value of what I'm going to be sharing in today's video. All right. To my returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by to watch my video. You guys rock. So back to what I was saying. Those things that a lot of business owners are doing that are making them not to stay in business for a long time. These things, especially for small business owners, these mistakes will make them not to stay in longer term in business. Before you know, they will pack their bag or before you know, they will lose their money and they will stop that business. All right. So number one mistake is that a lot of you go into business because you see others are going into that business, because you see your friends is selling for more, you want to start selling for more. No, it's not done like that. When you rush into business, you rush out. I'm telling you, if you enter like that, the way you take enter, and so you go take run come up for that business. Starting up a business because people are into that business is a no-no. This is something that you should avoid. You shouldn't enter into a business because people are doing it. All right. You should do it because you yourself you want to do it. Because once you enter business because people are doing it, before you know it, you will not be patient in that business anymore. You will run out of it because you'll be seeing challenges that you cannot withstand because that business did not come to your mind as a passion or as something that you want to do. You are just doing it because people are doing it and making money. You will not stay long in that business. You will run away once you see little challenge. All right. So number two on my list is lack of proper research. A lot of you don't make research on a business that you want to embark on. You just decide one day, get up from your bed, pick your savings and go and start up business, which is very wrong. You have to make a proper research to know about that business. All right. You see a lot of people, they will just because they see palm oil, there is money in palm oil, they will just go and buy without making thorough investigation about palm oil, without knowing things about palm oil. Some people you will see them, they are selling, they just have that melon, there is enough money in melon storage, they will go and buy without investigation. You don't know if there is a special way of storing this melon, you don't know. You don't know if there is a season to buy this melon, you don't know. All you know is that you want to go and buy melon, sell and make millions, which is very wrong. You have to make thorough investigation, thorough research before you start up any business. Making research is a good thing. It will help you to understand the kind of business you want to embark on. If it's something you can do or it's something you cannot do, you have to know it. All right. You have to make research about that particular business that you want to venture into. So proper research is very important when it comes to business. Know everything about that business. Know the things that you are supposed to do in that business. Know the details about that particular business. If it's something that require extra skill, know it. If it's something that you can just start casually, you have to make research, know about that business before you embark. A lot of people don't make research, just carry their capital, go and start up business, which is very wrong. That is why a lot of business are failing because they are not doing the right thing. Instead of them to start from scratch, most of them are building their house from the roof, which is very wrong. All right. Number three is your location. When it comes to location, your location should always match the standard of the business that you want to embark on. I used to say this in my video, and I don't even know how to explain it in details for you. Location can either crumble your business to zero or it will take your business to 100. So it's important that your location matches the standard of whatever business that you want to embark on. You have to look for a decent location. That will now bring me to the next, which is your target market. A lot of you don't know your target market. You just go into business, you don't even know who you want to sell that product to. You just want to sell products and you don't know who to sell to. You don't even know who you are selling to. It's when you know who you are selling to that will now help you to know how to run your ad, how to promote your business. Knowing your target market is very important when it comes to business. It's very necessary. Or let's say you want to start selling pampers, you want to start selling sanitary pads. Will you take it to guys to go and advertise? No, even if you take it to them, most of them they have wives, they will have girlfriends. That does not mean that they are going to buy. A lot of them will not buy. But if you take it to ladies, majority of them will buy because they need it. So knowing your target market when it comes to business is very important. Even if you are doing an online business, it's important that you know who you are selling to. It's important to know who your target market is, because if you say you want to sell to everybody, you will not sell to anybody. So most of you will be complaining you are not making sales. It's because you are directing your sales to the wrong audience, which is very bad. Since your business has already been niched, it's important you know who you are selling to, and that will guide you and help you to prosper in your business. All right. Next on my list is lack of basic knowledge. It's important that you know you are knowledgeable about the business you want to invest your hard-earned money on, because you cannot just get up one day and start up a business that you don't know anything about. Even if you want to employ the service of a professional, it's important that you know something about this particular business. Let me use a baking shop for example. Let's say you want to start baking, you want to have a bakery where they produce bread, right? And you don't know anything about how to produce bread, and you employ bakers, they are going to cheat you because you don't know anything about this particular baking. You don't know anything about this business. They will be asking you for money that you cannot even give account of. They will cheat you because in Nigeria that we live in, once people know that you don't know anything about a particular thing, they will always take advantage of it. So it's important you have knowledge. At least you should know that when you miss floor, you do this, you do this, you do that, you will achieve what you want. And when you are spending, you will know when you are spending unnecessarily or when you are spending right, for you to maximize your profit. So it's important that you know something about the particular business you want to embark on. Go for trainings, go for seminars. If it requires you for you to make payments to pay people, pay. Knowledge is power. All right. So it's important that you know what you are doing. Or let's say you want to start a restaurant business and you don't even have knowledge about cooking, you don't know anything about it. It's wrong. No matter how you, no matter what, even if you are employing everybody, you are employing the most traveled chef in town or whatsoever, it's important that you know what you are doing. Know your business. All right. It's when you manage your business that it will flourish. All right. So it's important that you have basic understanding, basic knowledge. Just have those little things about those business, little information, little knowledge about that business, so that you excel, because it's very important. All right. The next on my list is subscribe. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, I beg you. All right. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video that will benefit you like this. And after watching this video and you like it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It will not cost you anything. All right. So back to what I was saying. The next on my list is management. The next on my list is proper management. This is where a lot of us, and I mean a lot of us, majority of us are guilty of. A lot of people, they don't know how to manage their business. You are running a small scale business and maybe you are lucky that particular day, or God blessed you that particular day, you made a lot of sales. And at the end of the day, you realize that you have made up to 10,000 naira. Instead of you to use that same money that you have made, save up a little percentage and use the remaining one to reinvest in your business. You will now go and buy Coke, you buy gala, you buy handbag, especially for women, you buy jewelry, you buy everything. Before you know it, you start spending your capital. And before you know, you start complaining. You don't know where your money is entering. Before you know, some of you that are so spiritual will start saying that the witches and wizards in your family is after your life. But the truth of the matter is that you lack proper management. You don't have the management skills in you. So it's important you know how to manage your business. Manage what is coming in your business and what is going out. With so doing, you are going to know if you are successful, if you are succeeding in that business or not. So you have to have that management skills. It's important. Don't just, some of you have already eaten your profit before the profit arrives, which is very wrong. How will you now grow that business? All these small small business that you used to see, and before you know it, they become a large business. They didn't do it like that. Most of them, they sacrifice. If it's to take them to wear one cloth for one, if it will take them to wear one cloth for 1 year just to grow their business, they will do it. But some of you, once you have small change, you start painting the town red, which is very wrong. So knowing how to manage your business, your small business, is very important because it's going to go a long way, and it will help you from that your small business you become a big brand that people will be talking about. All right. So these are some of the mistakes that majority of all these small business are making, and they don't know about it. Before you know it, they will be out of business and they will be blaming people, and it's not their fault. It's because they don't know of all this. So that is why I've decided to bring it to your notice, so that if you are already doing business and you are having this trait in you, please avoid it. All right, avoid it. And what I will tell you is, as a small business owner, always keep record of your sales, your expenditures. All right, so that you will know when you are doing, when you are going astray, or when you are in track. All right. So guys, please, this is the end of my video for today. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. A lot of you watch my video and you don't subscribe. Subscribing is very free. I don't know. Don't subscribe. Click it. Backham. Click that notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any video that will benefit you. Please share this video to other business people, others that you feel that this video will help. All right. Like this video so that YouTube will spread it to other people, because there are a lot of people that may be interested in this content, but if you refuse to share it, how will they not see it? All right. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.